A very interesting thing happened after Donald Trump left court on Wednesday. He walked out of the courtroom triumphant for some reason and told reporters that he and his legal team had basically just scored, this was like Perry Mason, he said. His lawyers were able to cross-examine a witness, the very same witness, the appraiser, who earlier this week said, yeah, I didn't actually put any of those values on Trump's property that they say I put on there. His lawyers went in, Trump said, absolutely knocked the guy down. And not only that, not only was it a Perry Mason style victory, but Trump said, like, this case is not, like, it's probably going to be dismissed. Which, as we all know, actually can't happen because you've already had a summary judgment against you. Like, you've literally already lost the trial. Your guilt has been determined by the court, so it can't be dismissed because the court already said you did it. But hey, always nice to be a little optimistic every now and then, right? Here's the other part of this is that Trump did not get a victory in court that day. In fact, the judge actually had to yell at him and effectively accused him of witness intimidation. So I don't know what courtroom Donald Trump was in, but he left the courtroom, and here's his full statement to the press. First, they asked him, like, why are you even here? Because you don't have to be here. You're whining about being here, so why are you here? So Trump said, because I want to be at this trial, because I want to see what's happening at this trial, and because moments like this, I've just knocked this trial down to the level that it should be dismissed. This trial is a disgrace. This trial is a disgrace. Should have never been brought. And if you watched what just took place in the courthouse, if you can report it honestly, and I'm sure you will, because it's really no other way you can report it, the government lied. They knew everything about what just took place, and the government lied, and they lied to the people. The Attorney General lied because she wanted to get elected by using Trump. And if you look at what just took place, the government has now been proven to be a liar, and there has to be some kind of recourse for what's going on. And that's why, because if I wasn't here, probably making people wouldn't see the facts the way they are. So we'll go inside and we'll go watch the rest of it, and I think you'll find it very interesting. You see, you keep saying, like, because of what just happened, because of what just happened, because of what just happened. I think you said it like 3 times. But you didn't tell people what just happened, right? There's no cameras in the courtroom, so we have to rely on the reporters that are in there. And according to what the reporters that were in there said, things did not go well for you at all, buddy boy. As I mentioned, the judge actually had to scold Donald Trump because at one point during the testimony, Doug Larson is the appraiser's name, Donald Trump got so mad at what Larson was saying that he threw his hands up into the courtroom, you know, one of those numbers, and then loudly started telling his lawyers how much Lauro was lying on the stand, accusing him, of course, of perjury, loud enough for the entire courtroom to hear it. That's when Judge Engeron had to step in and say, quote, okay, I'll ask everyone to be quiet when the witness is testifying, particularly if it's meant to influence testimony. So the judge is like, you're out there accusing him of perjury loudly enough for everybody to hear it so that maybe he changes his story. You better shut the hell up, the judge said. I don't count that as a victory for Donald Trump. I really don't. So I don't know, again, what courtroom Trump was in, especially because his lawyers tried to say that, oh, we've got this email of Lauro and McConney, another Trump organization official, you know, talking about the values. And Lauro's like, yeah, I didn't give him permission to put my name on it. So it's like, oh, we've got this email. Did you read the email? Because it doesn't say what you're saying it says. And that was supposed to be the gotcha moment. But Lauro handled it like a champ and basically explained it as, maybe read that email again because it doesn't say what you're trying to get me to say it says. So that's Trump's big victory that's going to lead to a dismissal, apparently. But it was really just Donald Trump getting in trouble for being a giant jackass. Hey everyone, this is Aspen. And did you know that for the low cost of $0 per day, you can subscribe to the Fair and Balanced YouTube channel? We also encourage you to like, comment, and share. But again, click that subscribe button and help Aspen not be so grumpy.